Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be a reset vlog. I'm going to be taking you dolls along with me to show you like what I do to just like, I guess, reset my week and just make myself feel put together for the week. So if that's your type of thing, make yourself comfortable, grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab a snack, get a blanket, get cozy, and let's get this video started. Let's go dolls.
That is my dream. I be is what you make it. Always try to give.
So something that makes me feel really put together, and I want you dolls to comment as well in the comment section, what makes you feel put together for the week? What do you do? What is in your routine? What is in your reset that makes you feel put together? You feel like you have your week down? Something that makes me feel put together is flowers. I have to have every week some fresh roses or fresh peonies or fresh something in my apartment. It just makes me feel really good inside. So comment down below, what is your thing that makes you feel put together, like what I just said. I love fresh flowers. I just love the smell. I love how it looks. I hate when they're about to die. That's like the saddest part for me, but it just makes me feel, and flowers really genuinely last about a week for me. So I love to start every week with a bouquet of fresh flowers that I put together. So I'm gonna go and pick some up now and then come back to my apartment and I guess put the bouquet together. Okay, so now the bouquet is done, which is so gorgeous. I love it. I wish I could have got more though. I got like, as you can see, I had like two dozen of roses, so 24 roses, and then I had the baby breath. I wish I got more roses, and that's what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna get free bouquets. I love my flowers to be like really, really huge and very full. So next time I'm gonna get more because I love a full vase. Americans say vase, Brits say vase. We say vase, like we say it with an R almost, but it's really spelt the same way. But I just noticed that Americans say vase when it's a vase. Oh my God. It's so confusing for me. Like when there's certain words I say, I have to say it in an American way. Does that make sense? Wait, the whole time I've been filming, I realized there's something I do in my makeup routine that I didn't do today. And that is like the inner corners of my eyes. It's really bugging me. There's certain things that when you do them, if you don't do it, you feel off. And I'm like, I do feel off. So in the inner corners of my eyes, I always like have highlighter, like just how I have it on my nose. I have not eyeliner, eyeshadow, like in the inner corners of my eyes. Let me fix this. It's very, I have you dolls up in my face really close. So hold on. I'm trying to do this without being uncomfortable. Okay, so watch. This is basic. It's very simple. You see that? I feel that makes a difference. You see my eyes? It just feels more like open. Does that make sense? I'm gonna try and do it in this eye without. It just looks better. Like I feel better like this. Do you think I'm exaggerating, or do you think that it does make a difference? Can you see what I'm trying to do? Just trying to. You dolls are like really in my face. And I don't wear eyeshadow, so hold on. I don't wear eyeshadows, you can see, look when I don't wear eyeshadow on a regular basis. This is just my everyday look when I want to do like simple glam. This is my simple glam, and it makes a difference. It really makes a difference. Like I feel like, is it just in my head? But I feel like my eyes are just like open now. Does that make sense? I already have really big eyes, but like it's just bigger. Like I like to make my eyes even bigger, basically. So yeah, a little makeup tutorial. Oh my God, I look like myself now. I feel like I need to reshoot that whole intro because who was that at the beginning? It's the tiny little things that make a difference. Now I lost my train of thought on what I was saying, but here's my full glam. So I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to clean my shower. Oh my God, I have not used my shower, so don't judge. I've not used my shower, that particular shower, in a long time. The one I'm about to show you. I use my other shower, which has the bathtub, so my bathtub shower. I have not touched it since I had, like back in December, I had like a flood in that bathroom. So I've not touched that bathroom for a long time. Well, I clean the toilets, but I don't touch the shower, and it's got disgusting stuff on the floor. So I'm going to be cleaning that. And I also have products I want to show you, two new things that I want to show you. And then I'm also going to be restocking my laundry because I have laundry to do today. So let me show you these products first. When I say little cleaning products excite me more than how I used to, like back when I was like younger, like in my early 20s, it was makeup products that excite me. But now I get so excited when there's a new release or a new product I've not discovered that's going to enhance my cleaning. So last night I bought this, oh my God, I just have to show you it, like I'm about to show you. But I bought this polish. At first I thought it was a spray because I wanted to buy the spray for my sink. I want to clean my sink with it. I have an obsession with like stainless steel being so shiny that it almost looks like a mirror. And I found these products I never knew existed. Like my mind didn't go there. And basically these stainless steel wipes. So I was meant to get the spray, but they changed it to the wipes. So my order changed to wipes. So I was like, okay, let me use these wipes on my fridge. And oh my God, my fridge, you can see it, is shiny. Like who would know? Like I didn't know that this exists. Like it's a game changer. Probably many of you don't know this exists. And just look at my fridge. Look at it, it's so shiny. And just one wipe did that. Like there was fingerprints on my fridge and things like that. I don't like fingerprints on the microwave. I don't like fingerprints on anything stainless steel. I like it to look like it was brand new from the store. So I discovered these wipes and oh my God, I was wiping away at 2 a.m. last night. Amazing, just look at the fridge. Just look at the fridge. So I'm about to show you the product. But before I show you that, look at this new candle from 𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗺. It's so heavy. They are doing candles now. They make those gorgeous flowers that I have in my kitchen and in my living room all the time. They are so gorgeous. Definitely check them out. They have a sale right now and this smells amazing. As you can see, I've been burning it. So definitely check out 𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗺, and they have a sale going on right now. I believe it's huge. It's a really huge discount off. So check them out. They make really good gifts and this one smells really, really good. But I'm going to light that once I put my flowers back on here. I'm gonna light that candle because I want the smell just in the background the whole time I'm doing this vlog. So this is the product I was telling you dolls about. You need this in your life. It is I can't say that name, 𝗂𝗚, I think I said it, 𝗂𝗚 stainless steel wipes, and it is just so good. Like look at my fridge. Look how shiny that is. There is no fingerprints on my fridge. It's just shiny. Like it looks like a brand new fridge. Just look at that. That's this. One wipe did that. So definitely check this out. Like there was fingerprints. Maybe I have to wait until like I build back fingerprints on here and show you how it works. It's so good. And I used it on my coffee machine, like on those silver parts on the coffee maker. I use it on the tap. It's just anywhere I can use it, I use it. And then this as well. This is amazing. Not just because it's pink. It smells so good. Like I just spray it everywhere. Love the smell. I just discovered this and I love it. It's by Febreze and it's this Romance and Desire air mist and I just love it. It's very affordable. It comes in a pack of 2. Check that out at your local grocery store. I love it. I love how it smells. That's like literally the scent of my apartment with the candle. Something about candles and flowers the combo is just perfect, like the smells. I just lit the candle and I'm obsessed with how the roses look with the baby breath. I just love that bouquet. So yeah, I'm now like, I feel set, like I feel like the video's done. I feel so set, like I feel so put together. It's just such a cozy feeling. I love it. These flowers are so pretty. Like I love them. Like they come out, they look really, really nice. Like I didn't want pink. I wanted something white and summery. Like I love white flowers in the summer. So I just love how they turned out. So I have something to show you. I have a little home update. It's little, it's not that big, but I need to show you. You dolls are gonna love it. I have, like you dolls are all commenting that I should get this in gold, but I decided differently. Let me show you what I have right by my new bar stools. Let me show you. So look at this. A lot of you wanted me to put like a gold cover, light switch cover, electric cover, I don't know what to call it, just a cover. But look what I put here. Instead of gold, I thought I want to continue the same look that I have in the kitchen. So if you look up in the kitchen, you can see I have the crystal rhinestone switch covers, whatever you call this. So I decided to have it also down here. I wanted to do gold, but I was thinking, let's keep it with the same theme. And from far, like if I step back, doesn't that look gorgeous? Look, it matches with the ones in the background. So you can see I have it in my kitchen. Look in the background. You can see I have them there, going all around the kitchen basically. And I've always actually wanted to, before I got these chairs, I've always wanted to change it. But I feel like now I have the chairs and you can see it more. It just makes sense. So that's a little home update. It looks gorgeous. I think the camera cut off. It makes it look very girly, like it keeps the girly theme, and I just love it. Like, and it stands out, especially at night time. You can just see it sparkling, and I just think it looks glam. I love it. Those little details, those little details you can't do if you live with a man, basically. Like, it's just so. I'm enjoying my feminine time right now. But yeah, so that's the little update. I hope you dolls love it. Comment down below. Do you still want it to be gold, or you love it with the little girly detail down there like I have over there, the glam detail, like as you can see the ones in the back, like they just look so perfect. So I have to restock my laundry beads. I use the Downy, the pink ones, of course. I use the pink Downy laundry beads. They just smell amazing. It's not just because it's pink. It smells so good. Like my whole house when I'm washing smells so good. Like you can smell it from far. You can smell it from downstairs. So I'm gonna I wish I could do a whole full laundry restock, but I'm only down on one thing. So down. Do you catch that? But yeah, I'm down on the Downy. So I'm going to load that up now. Fill it up, fill the jar up because the jar's completely done. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so time to clean my, oh, I don't want to do this, but I have to. Time to clean my shower floor that I have not used in like 6 months. So I have just let it literally rot. So I'm going to take you dolls along with me. Let's go clean that up. So here's my shower, the one I don't use. Now look at this. So look at the inside. Disgusting. This is absolutely filthy, but we're going to get this looking really good. A lot of cleaning has to be done here. I have not stepped foot in here for months, like almost half a year. Since I've been here, like I've not really used this shower. I don't come in here, I don't even come in this room. So I want to get that done so I can start using the shower, this walk-in shower, because sometimes I do prefer walk-in shower to the one in the bathtub, the one that comes with the bathtub. So, and this is my master shower, my master bedroom. So I really want to be using this more. So we're going to have to clean this. Just look at, so disgusting. I don't even know what that yellow thing is. Can someone tell me what this yellow thing is? Because I don't, as I said, I don't touch it, so I'm believing the water drops there, but why does it turn yellow? Why does that turn this kind of reddish pink color? Like, what is this? Like, how does it turn to this color? Because I've not touched here. So I know it, like, look at it. It's like, what is that? Someone comment down below, like, how does that turn yellow? Because I don't even come in here. I don't use hair, so why is that yellow? Someone let me know, please. And why is it this weird kind of gunky color that I can't, like, the texture is weird. Like, what is doing that? So anyway, I'm gonna start. So we've reached the end of the video. I love doing these reset videos. I prefer them to clean with me's. They're just so much more fun. Like, I take you along my day of like little things I have to do here and there. It's really fun. It helps me get through the day. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Secret word of today's video. So if you're new to my channel, at the end of every video, we have a secret emoji. We love to comment. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of the video. Today's secret emoji is going to be a swan. Comment the swan emoji in the comment section. It helps me know that you've been watching to the end and paying attention. So comment the swan emoji in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you dolls so much. Smooches, and I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye, dolls. Oh wait, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to tell me, what is your reset routine? Like, what do you do to reset? What do you do to get your week? What makes your week feel good? Let me know in the comment section down below. I love talking to you dolls in the comment section. I love you dolls so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.